Hey guys, what's up? I'm here to give you a few hair care tips that you guys can use during quarantine. So let's get started. So guys, my first tip would be to not delay washing your hair. Wash it as and when your scalp and hair gets oily. If you delay washing your scalp, your pores can get clogged. This can actually cause dandruff, and this also causes acne around your forehead right here. So guys, my second point would be to keep your conditioner in longer. Now we have all the time in the world, and I think this is the best time for some TLC for our skin and hair. So keep the conditioner in for at least 5 to 8 minutes. The conditioner will deeply hydrate and nourish your hair, which is what you need. And once the curfew is over and you're back to work, you're definitely not going to get the time to do so. Next point would be to take this time to experiment with different oils and masks for your specific hair and scalp concerns. You guys can choose from various essential oils, carrier oils, herbs. You can look at YouTube videos, you can look at things on Google and check. For example, if you're having dry hair but dandruff, you can look for masks and oils according to that. Or you can make homemade concoctions of masks and oils. I like to use things like banana, honey, coconut milk, eggs and aloe vera. Also apply hair masks more often. Now if you don't have hair mask as a product at home, use your regular conditioner, apply it on your mid-lengths to ends, wrap a hot towel around your hair, keep it in for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then rinse it off with cold water. Make the most of all your hair care products that you have at home because you have all the time right now to take care of your tresses. Next is a very important point because nutrition is key. You guys should include all of these things into your diet. 5 things that your hair really needs is protein, iron, zinc, omega-3 and biotin. For protein, include chicken, egg whites, walnuts and almonds. For iron, include spinach, egg yolk, lentils, broccoli and tofu. For zinc, you guys can include sweet potato, chickpeas, pumpkin and sesame seeds. For omega-3, you guys can include fish, tuna, chia seeds and flax seeds. For biotin, you guys can include mushroom, cauliflower, chicken or meat. Now this is for people who have gray hair and are obviously unable to color it. I would highly suggest you guys to not color it at the moment and instead spend that time in taking care of your hair. But in case you guys can't do that, if it's really necessary, then this is a temporary fix and a hack that you guys can use. Just take dark brown eyeshadow, use a big fluffy brush, dab it in the eyeshadow and apply it on your gray hair. This is obviously very temporary. It is going to come off when you wash your hair. But I would highly suggest you guys to stay away from henna and box colors and go back to coloring your hair once the curfew is over. Avoid using heat as much as you can right now since we're only staying in. Trust me guys, we're not going to get a time like this. We're going to be rushed. So don't use any heat on your hair at the moment. Just let it naturally air dry and avoid using a blow dryer to blast dry it. Heat obviously damages your hair, but prolonged use of heat can actually cause your hair to break and your cuticles to split. Coming to my last point, which is equally important. I think this has worked really well for me as well. Like I said, nutrition is key. Sometimes it's very difficult for us to actually get all of those nutrients in our diet, so it's important to take hair rich supplements that actually will help your hair growth and will keep it nourished. 2 things that I swear by is this one. This is called Hairwit. This has 5,000 mcg of biotin. Biotin is very important for hair growth. This is a 3-month box. You get 90 capsules. I'm almost done with it. Like I probably have 10 capsules left. This has worked really well for my hair. And the second thing that I really like is Daily Greens. Now this has all your essential minerals and vitamins. It has vitamin B12, vitamin C, fiber, zinc, iron, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, vitamin B5. This is really good for your hair and skin. So I use both of these that I think have really worked really well for my hair. So I hope all of these tips have helped you guys during quarantine. Happy hair days. Take this time to take care of your hair as much as you can. I love you guys. Bye.